Soundclash, big up Gunman sound, big up the two sounds we're there. We're not going to keep it long talking because we are work with the time. But people, Marvel say 1, 2, 3 things. Rass sound talk about respect, and he might talk about suck your mama, batty boy, little girls. You can't disrespect like that. If you talk about real respect, talk about music, talk about some things where you know, talk about things, you can't say anything. I know it's a musical war, but I never said suck your mama. You see the audio, I'm a big people sound. I want the audio to play, even when your children is around, you can play the audio. You fuck it up. I can say it now officially, you fuck it up. Because, and people, second argument. Everything that is in your heart and everything that is on your mind, you will speak about. If Rass sound all the time and Reggae to Rumble all the time about pussy, suck pussy, and Batty Boy is because it's on their mind, it's in their heart, so they speak about it, right? Alright, hold on, one more argument, bullet. Man, give them one more bullet. Then play Jerusalem Rhythm, Alpha Blondie, Prince Jasper, hold on, this is a real history. Prince Jasper, hold on, no. Prince Jasper did there, Alpha Blondie, all of the musicians them. Is Prince Jasper part of my sound that make Alpha Blondie possible to record Marcus Drive 220 Kingston, Jamaica, Alpha Blondie Jerusalem album. You see, a lot of song, copies and follow song. 5 years, something Reggae to Rumble, big up yourself, but you're not name jugglers. Rass, sound, yeah, go back home and ask you. I know it's far, I'm sorry you make all the way there. But wait, Jerusalem Rhythm is civilized sound from Belgium, who post that rhythm here in Germany. You can't take me for fool. Big up Beat Street, cause people should know. Civilized come at Germany, win clash. Beat Street come at Germany, win clash. Skylarkin come at Germany, win clash. You play hip hop rhythm, alright. And I follow you. May I show you how to do things. Teacher.
Yo, this is Leonard representing for the big bad sound, Skylarkin sound. And you know we don't play with people and we don't laugh when we are fling big.
Serious, my blood class serious. Big up culture up.
Them up the smell, man.
Rubatal. Not trying to Westfalen.
Prince Jazz, boy, you know the thing set.
Ready.
And when we are playing, some sound boy start fret.
Are you ready for the last part? Let me see some energy. Ready now. Energy. Representing Belgium. As Pakistan.
Who no like who we done born already. So take a seat and go.
Rass, if you never like me, you never ever come tonight.
Larkin and live up and we lifestyle steady. We never walk round and beggy. Nobody can call we dance all beggy. So we are foundation, yes I
Reggae to Rumble.
like mass.
Yeah, newbie, you see you.
Them fit more so we
Bad long time.
How I do some
Newbie. Rass said in my international sound.
So question, who you
And yet Rass sound.
They never play in a John down or in America or even Germany. So all they do
I know one time Reggae to Rumble play at Jamaica, out tourist area, pussy.
Skylarkin bad, and everybody know that. Skylarkin bad, and anywhere we go we no afraid to show that. Skylarkin bad, and everybody know that. Skylarkin bad, and anywhere we go we
Let me show you how you can bounce some real hip hop rhythm. Original selection. Creativity.
Skylarkin got soul. Reggae music, rockin' them.
You think you can buy Soundclash on internet? My sound have vibes.
Skylarkin is a big bad sound.
Want some more to make them know? Hey!
Skylarkin, them can't hit philosophy, got
Do another thing.
on your banner ready.
And we are to the killing.
No fact them don't know the history and don't know the thing. Big mouth them
Reggae to Rumble, where you know about reggae?
now show respect to the elder them. Crown them right, them as the great legend. Your son boy you talk about them as the man. Reggae music them no overstand. Skylarkin beat up for them in the business. Them a hustle and a try to
We go for beats, Reggae to Rumble. Rass only I go home after this round.
and I said we are big. Respect Skylarkin who most of the get across the world.
All the sound they make one big mistake.
No soul.
Them say nowadays, ladies, the girls them don't go to Soundclash. Why? Because you know not playing a song for the ladies them. You see Skylarkin? Me I go get every girl vote. I say ladies, I'm gonna play for you and you and you and you. This is one artist from Belgium. Me I represent Belgium. Joint family, me I play artist anyway. Nobody play a Belgium artist. How you not counteract me with that? My still up bad. Hey. Oh. My son treat the hard way. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Three ladies. Stop that. Rass only. Stop that. Them name Kerry, Maya and Keisha. Stop that. I have a girl myself, so listen to the story. Nobody select that song for the girls. Nobody pick up the ladies. Rass on, your girls. They name Maya, Keisha and Kerry. Me have my own girl, so you have a deep toe because we chip on the belly. Look for Maya, Keisha and Kerry. Come back. Just like a sledge, I'm a Thomas Wedgie. I hear him. Tell Pat, my Peter, Chucky, Teddy. Take those cold picture, Teddy. Take the causeway where we took across the ferry. Let's go put one partial in.
I guess that's Skylarkin. Think of yourself, you know. Like the representative of the fullest.
Again, I have one question. Who does Rass song? They bust one artist, they promote one artist? No. Rass song, you go home. Bye bye, good evening. It was nice meeting you and greeting you. But bye bye, send them home. Murderation done. This is your funeral, and your night. Rass song, bye bye. Bye bye.
This is the song for my friend, them were bust and gone away.
You know what?
Thomas now go see them again.
Jump Platinum, me a bust this youth.
Yeah, this is the song for my friend, them were bust and gone away.
Rass out,
now go see them again.
you lose your life. Don't worry yourself, I just music.
Yeah, this is the song when I talk about no slang man.
But I take to Germany like Afghanistan. Skylarkin kill one.
Me I tell you get to you them.
You want strong.
Not a gun, no gun.
Don't turn no gunman. There is already a gunman sound. Pick up yourself, Promotor. Oh. One more time, I sing out.
This is the song for my friend. Them were past and gone away.
Where's the
Thomas now go see them again. Him now go see them again. Yeah, this is the song for my friend. Them were past and gone away. Thomas now go see them again. Him now go see them again. Yeah, mothers are balling, mothers are calling. You miss your loved one.
Rass sound. The girl called you, she said she miss you. If you want to come back home, so maybe kill it quick and fast and done. Rhythm up, let it go.
In Neuss, Sinner.
Big sound, play big tune. I don't know that song, I'm singing it now. I'm singing Reggae, I'm mad. I don't try to touch the CD. Touch it.
I'm not into cameras, it's down into gam.
Guess what?
Consistent champion sound, I'm a murder.
What's that sound name? I'm a Rass sound. You see my sound?
In your lodge, Lord, I'm in charge. I know any sound can test.
You know me are the bigger boss.
For broad, wicked and odd, and rather than Broadway, Skylarkin in your lodge. I'm in charge, and broad than Broadway.
Hey.
So we not like on them sound and dust. Kill them select that.
One more time, Barrington. One more time. Big up Sensei. Melissa.
And large, and
Broader than Broadway.
in your lodge, larger than charge. I know any sound.
No, people don't know. They think it's my first time on the battlefield.
And broad than
We killed 7 songs already. So guess what? You See tonight,
Skylarkin, Daniel composer.
this is back to school. Mathematics class.
Punish them.
Why you do the maths, make it 7 souls.
To the master.
One more.
We put one more duppy to the duppy. One more duppy to the duppy. Pussy come and push one Skylarkin. Add them to the duppy. One. Skylarkin.
We are taking that forward.
See when him see the devil.
Back to school, this is September.
Punish on Belgium.
7, 8, and 9 songs tonight.
We put one more duppy to the
One
duppy.
more.
One more duppy to the duppy. If body lose the fun, no. If body lose the fun, no.
Alright, I fuck it up, I fuck up my sister. I jump too much. What time? Alright? No worries, sir. No worries, sir. You can't teach me nothing, Rass. No worries, sir. Look out yourself. Alright, you see, next one. We have too much time. No worries, sir.
That, you know what Slash representing for the
I have a message.
Skylarkin.
Everybody of the boat songs, they cut their doublings on internet.
Yo, kick it like a ball.
You see their own doubling call me.
Instead, them.
And Slash tell me.
Yo, big up Prince John.
You see the 2 songs?
Great.
Them cut those at my studio.
Yo,
But I'm telling you something, see tonight.
Thomas. But the wrong sound them got this. The boy them get Skylarkin.
You better know.
So we know how we come.
It's your doubling. I didn't say.
Spend hell of fight. Boy, you get the shipping on them in them market. People dead. Skylarkin, call them and quick. Informer ready for call with him and get and make him.
People will come one of the baddest places in Jamaica. They won't say Spanish Town. Real bad man place. One place some new tune. Alright.
Hey, I'm Esther, man. Governor represent the Skylarkin.
Russ and call me this afternoon. Same stress. Them 2 leaders will be here at the clash.
Them boy there, what?
And 2 girls I have stress. I want a bumper clock. I'm Jamaica. I'll show you. All of my baby mother them. All of them.
Find you a girl away, that's the usual.
Never give you 2 girls even. Pick up the whole of women then. Yo, see them.
But you still have come, get in a shit.
Oh, we are Jamaica resident. We are president.
Come on, girl, what a boy for. Take him last, the girl. Cheap, give it up in a hospital.
Yo, time. People, what you say about Skylarkin sound backgrounds?